Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a bio on your Triller account. So let's start. First open the Triller app. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. On your profile tap on Edit Profile. And here you will see your bio option. Now tap on that. And now enter a bio which describes you the best. But remember you are confined to the 140 characters. When you are done, tap OK on top right corner. Then tap Done on top right corner. And the change made will immediately reflect on your profile. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.